Hey Portland, grab your suit and get in the scene. You have a fabulous new swimming hole, the Kevin Duckworth Memorial Dock, now open to the public. The Duckworth Dock offers a protected swimming area that is more than double the size of a standard indoor pool. 8 ladders for swimming have been installed, paid for by Go Lloyd, with not a penny of city financing. Where is this sweet spot? The Duckworth Dock is on the east side of the Willamette River, along the Esplanade, between the Burnside and Steel bridges. To get there, ride a bike or take TriMet, or just walk. Don't forget to bring a mask to wear on the dock and space out at least 6 feet from others. Put on a life jacket if you're not a strong swimmer. It's deep here. Come on in, the water's fine. The Kevin Duckworth Memorial Dock, Portland's new swimming hole. The revolution goes on.